Hi everyone! Oh boy, I don't know what's wrong with the month of May, but looks like everyone's releasing new products. There's new Holbein granulating colors, new Kusakabe single pigmented colors, and now Roman small new colors! So Jackson's does have these 3 new Roman small colors in stock right now, so if you'd like to start shopping right away, you can follow the links down below. So some of you might be looking at these colors and think it's quite familiar, and I'll tell you what, they are! So these are now being officially launched or released by Roman Small, but they actually made an appearance on Jackson's when these 20 colors were released last year. The first color is titanium brown made with PBR 48. The color resembles yellow ochre, a granulating paint so that when mixing with other colors, you can achieve the effect of splitting pigments. The second color is chromium green oxide dark made with PG 17. This is the dark variety of chromium green, strongly granulating pigment which allows us to achieve sparring green in combination with yellows. The third and last color is Cobalt Blue Light, made with PB28. It's a warm, light cobalt variety. Unfortunately, I do have to get to work, but I wanted to put this out as soon as possible so all of you can have a chance to get them, because I know some of you have been waiting for these like several months just like me. So yeah, happy shopping everyone!